First step, writing a preface. Copy the content and paste it into the message. We wipe out the frills. First prompt. Use this title and content to write the foreword of the book. Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm thrilled to kick off an exciting series that's been buzzing in the world of digital publishing and artificial intelligence: how to write ebooks with ChatGPT. If you've ever dreamed of becoming an author or are looking to streamline your ebook creation process, you're in the right place. In this series, I'm going to explore the revolutionary approach to writing ebooks using ChatGPT, a powerful AI tool that's changing the game for writers and content creators like us. Writing ebooks can be a daunting task, from brainstorming ideas to drafting and editing. However, with the advent of AI technologies like ChatGPT, the process has become more accessible and efficient. Whether I'm a seasoned writer or a newcomer to the scene, how to write ebooks with ChatGPT will provide me with valuable insights and step-by-step guidance on leveraging this AI to craft compelling, high-quality ebooks. Throughout this series, I'll cover everything you need to know about writing ebooks with ChatGPT, from setting up my AI writing assistant to generating content that captivates our audience. I'll also share my tips and tricks on optimizing the writing process, ensuring that our ebooks stand out in a crowded digital landscape. So why use ChatGPT for writing ebooks? The answer is simple. ChatGPT offers unparalleled efficiency, creativity, and versatility, making it an indispensable tool for anyone looking to publish ebooks quickly and with high quality. By the end of this series, How to Write eBooks with ChatGPT, I'll be equipped with the knowledge and skills to harness the power of AI in my writing endeavors. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated with the latest videos in this series. Let's embark on this journey together and unlock the potential of writing ebooks with ChatGPT. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into how to write ebooks with ChatGPT and discover how we can transform our writing process and achieve our publishing goals with ease. Second step, Google Document Word Saving. Let's copy the data into a Google document or Word so that we can work it out more easily. Search Doc. Go to Google Docs. Sign in. Copy the title of the book to name the folder. My title: The Creative Entrepreneur, Innovation for Sustainable Growth. Then copy the content of the book from ChatGPT. Inappropriate texts are also deleted. Copy the preface to the DOC. Copy and paste it into your documents. Third step, Introduction, Elaboration. As you can see, the introduction is divided into two parts. First, I copy the title, Defining Creativity and Innovation in Business. Copy it to ChatGPT. Second prompt. Write about it longer and don't give a list. Start. Copy and can go into Doc. Copy the second address as well, and you can enter it in ChatGPT. Use the same prompt for it. Copy, and this can also go to the DOC. You've copied the intro, and that's it. How to write ebooks with ChatGPT for this part. In the following sections, we will also deal with editing documents and generating additional content. If you like the video, give it a like, subscribe for more content, and press the bell. If you have any questions or requests, don't hesitate to leave a comment in the comments section below. I am very happy to answer questions and requests. Have a nice day and see you next time on writing ebooks with ChatGPT.